Freedom Team here. Today we are here with Kallas of BAK Homes. Kyle, tell us a little bit about what you've been up to lately.
Recently we just got done with a garage frame. Built the garage, frame, side, and roof.
Nice. It looks like it turned out pretty sharp. He's also done some recent work for our clients they're really happy about. They couldn't rave about Kyle and Ryan enough at BAK Homes. The next thing I think we're going to talk about is when do we want to get that scheduling done? You're thinking about a project coming up this year. It's actually scheduling time is now for the spring and summer season. So if you have a project that you want to consult with BAK Homes on, get a hold of Kyle. Get a hold of myself and I'll follow you over them if you don't have their information. But I'm going to leave you today. Kyle is kind enough to give us a little tricks. So tell us what you got for us, Kyle.
I've got a few basics on one of the most valuable tools in my industry is the speed square. Just a few basic knowledge tips on how to use it. Alright, so we never trust factory edges when we are going to cut a board. So if you want a nice square cut, just butt this up to the edge, make your line. That's a perfectly square cut on your board. Now flip this over, make a nice 45-degree angle right there too. You need a different degree, let's say a 30-degree angle. You put that on your mark. We'll line up 30 degrees with the top of our board right here. Make our mark, and then we got a 30-degree mark right there. Now a little trick, if you want to make a rip cut, let's say we need 3 inches. Set your pencil right in there and just run it right down, just like that. Now, this is another little trick. Let's say you need a nice straight cut for whatever it may be. We just line our blade up with the line, and then we're going to use our speed square as a fence for a nice straight cut. Straight as can be.
That is money. Nice. Thanks for joining us today, Kyle. Contact BAK Homes for all of your home construction needs.